Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your trusted source for in-depth reviews, advanced features, and detailed insights into the automotive world's most luxurious innovations. Today, we dive into the bold and unexpected arrival of the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome, a true blend of British elegance and modern road-tripping utility. The 2026 Jaguar Motorhome marks the brand's debut into the luxury recreational vehicle market. Jaguar, known for its performance-oriented sedans and SUV, has reimagined what a motorhome can be by integrating their heritage of design, power, and refinement into a mobile luxury experience. The exterior maintains the sleek, aerodynamic lines typical of Jaguar vehicles, finished in premium paint options with sculpted LED headlamps and a prominent grille that showcases the brand's iconic leaping cat badge. Beneath the stylish body lies a hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged V6 engine with an electric motor, producing a combined output of over 500 horsepower. This setup delivers smooth acceleration and quiet operation, especially appreciated during long-distance travel. Jaguar's adaptive all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip and control across various terrains, making this motorhome suitable for both urban routes and off-grid getaways. The vehicle also features regenerative braking and solar-assisted auxiliary systems to reduce fuel consumption and boost sustainability. Inside, the Jaguar Motorhome is a statement of luxury living. Step into the cabin and you're welcomed by handcrafted leather surfaces, walnut wood trims, and ambient LED lighting that can be customized to your mood. The layout includes a spacious lounge area with reclining seats, a fold-out dining table, and an integrated entertainment suite featuring a 60-inch OLED screen with surround sound. Jaguar's proprietary infotainment system is fully voice-controlled and supports 5G connectivity for seamless navigation and streaming. The kitchen is a compact marvel, fitted with a dual induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, espresso machine, and convection oven, all powered by a lithium-ion auxiliary battery. Adjacent to the kitchen is a high-end bathroom equipped with a rainfall shower, smart water-saving fixtures, and a dual flush eco toilet. The sleeping area is equally impressive, featuring a memory foam queen bed with massage settings, climate control, and skylight views. Safety is paramount in this luxurious RV. The 2026 Jaguar Motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot assist, emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Night vision technology and AI-based fatigue detection enhance driving security, especially during extended road trips. The vehicle's air suspension system ensures a smooth and quiet ride, adapting to road conditions in real time for maximum comfort. This motorhome is ideal for those who crave luxury, performance, and freedom all in one package. Whether it's a cross-country journey or a weekend retreat, the 2026 Jaguar Motorhome transforms travel into an unforgettable experience, offering all the comfort of a 5-star suite on wheels. If this review helped you explore your next dream RV, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more exclusive vehicle insights, luxury reviews, and futuristic concepts, stay tuned to Auto Review Pro, where innovation meets the road.